Hey friends, welcome to our last problem of the day before we go on spring break. All right, so here's Miss Vanderpool's problem that you get to help me with. My brother had 10 toy trucks. He took his allowance and he bought 10 more toy trucks. And I'm wondering, how many toy trucks does he have now? Let's listen again. My brother had 10 toy trucks. He took his allowance and bought 10 more toy trucks. How many toy trucks does he have now? All right, so let me get my cereal. So first in the problem, I heard that he had 10 toy trucks. So I'm going to go ahead and count out 10 pieces of cereal to represent his 10 toy trucks. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's his 10 toy trucks. Then I heard that he went to the store and bought 10 more toy trucks. That word more tells me that I need to add some more cereal. So my problem said that he bought 10 more toy trucks. So I'm going to count out 10 more pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's his 10 more toy trucks that he bought with his allowance. Now here's my first row of 10 and my second row of 10. Then my problem asked me, how many toy trucks does he have? I could count each of them out to figure it out, but because I know how to count by tens, I can very quickly count these by tens. 10, 20. He has 20 trucks all together now. When I start to represent this, I laid out my 10 pieces of cereal. So I'll make one group of 10 to represent the 10 toy trucks that he had. Then I made another group of 10 to represent the 10 more toy trucks he bought. Then when I counted them, I counted by tens. 10, 20. I didn't count them all, so I'm going to just label 10, 20. I don't have to put individual numbers in here because I did not count them out individually. I'm going to put a circle around my 20 to show my answer. Then when I write my number sentence, I counted the 10 toy trucks that he had plus the 10 more trucks that he bought with his allowance. Oops, that sounded very good. 10. The 10 more trucks he bought with his allowance, and that gave him 20 trucks altogether. Now when I'm labeling with my words, I'm going to write 10 trucks, then 10 more trucks. That's that special word that we heard that tells us we needed to add them. And that gave us 20 trucks. So 20 trucks now. So when you look at my representation, you can see the 10 toy trucks he had plus the 10 toy trucks he bought with his allowance, giving us the 20 toy trucks that he had all together. All right, here's your problem. My mom bought 20 popsicles. Then she went to the store and bought 30 more popsicles. How many popsicles does she have now? My mom went to the store and bought 20 popsicles. Then she bought 30 more popsicles. How many popsicles does she have now? Text a picture of your representation to your teacher so that you can earn a shout out.